high school in Kingston, New York, middle school, whatever it is, off of Enterprise Drive. 25 degrees and winds gusting to 30 miles an hour this afternoon. That's what I'm talking about.
Making up their faces. The king cats were hawking everyone. The winos sneaking up the place. Ooh, the nuts were magnetic. Ooh, you wanted, you can't get it. Downtown USA. Playground USA. Downtown USA. Sintown USA. Downtown USA. Your town USA. Yes, sir. USA. USA.
World famous.
Exploit their night wish. Ooh, you get away from your camp.